Are your legs starting to feel weaker, struggling to keep up, even just climbing the stairs or walking through the grocery store? What if I told you that your legs are the key to keeping you strong, healthy, and independent well into your later years? I know we don't want to think about aging, about losing our independence, or dealing with joint pain. But here's the thing. Aging doesn't have to be a slow betrayal. Weak legs are often the first warning sign that something's off. Today, we're going to change that. We'll talk about nutrition, exercises, and lifestyle habits that can turn back the clock and get your legs feeling strong again. Before we dive in, comment where you're watching from and tell us what health topics you'd like to see next. Did you know weak legs can put your whole life at risk? I'm not just talking about difficulty climbing stairs or feeling unstable on your feet. I mean your mobility, your independence, and even your longevity. It's all connected to how strong your legs are. Let's face it, as we age, muscles weaken, bones lose density, and it's not just about getting older, it's about taking action before things decline. But here's the good news. You don't have to accept this decline. There are simple, proven ways to fight back. Today, we're going to explore how to fuel your legs with the right food, how to strengthen them with targeted exercises, and how to protect your body through lifestyle changes. Ready to learn how to thrive as you age? Let's go. Think of your legs as the foundation of a house. If your legs weaken, everything else starts to fall apart. Strong legs support your joints, keep your posture right, reduce the risk of injury, and even improve circulation, keeping your heart healthy. And here's the surprise. Strong legs can actually keep your mind sharp too. Studies show that people with stronger legs perform better on cognitive tests. So you're not just working your body, you're protecting your brain too. All right, let's talk food. What we eat plays a massive role in keeping our legs strong. It's all about muscle fuel. As we age, we lose muscle mass, and our body becomes less efficient at using protein to rebuild those muscles. That's why you need to eat more protein, and the right kind. You want protein-rich foods like eggs, fish, and dairy. These will repair muscle and keep you strong. And don't forget omega-3s. Foods like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds can reduce inflammation and protect your joints. And here's a game changer: vitamin D and calcium. These two work together to protect your bones, and without enough of them, you're more prone to fractures. Now let me share some specific superfoods that are absolute powerhouses for your legs. First up, Greek yogurt. It's not just high in protein, it contains probiotics that support gut health, which means better nutrient absorption. Your muscles get more of the fuel they need. Next, quinoa. This ancient grain is a complete protein with all the essential amino acids your body needs. Plus, it's loaded with magnesium, which supports muscle function and recovery. And don't overlook lentils. They're a fantastic plant-based protein source, high in fiber to regulate blood sugar and keep you feeling satisfied. Perfect if you're watching your weight while building muscle. For snacking, reach for almonds and pumpkin seeds. Almonds give you protein, healthy fats, and vitamin E, an antioxidant that reduces muscle damage. Pumpkin seeds? They're packed with magnesium, which is crucial for muscle contraction and relaxation. Here's something many people miss: antioxidants. Foods like berries, spinach, and nuts fight oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to muscle aging. Think of antioxidants as your body's cleanup crew, protecting your muscles from damage. Oh, and hydration. Seriously, water helps muscle function. Your muscles are about 75% water, and even mild dehydration can lead to weakness and fatigue. Drink your water. Your muscles will thank you. Aim for at least 8 cups a day, more if you're active. Now let's get moving. Nutrition is half the equation, but you've got to use those muscles too. The best exercises for leg strength: squats, lunges, leg presses, anything that targets your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Start with lighter weights and gradually increase as you build strength. The key is consistency. You're rebuilding muscle and bone density, and that takes time. Don't forget about balance exercises too. Try standing on one leg for 30 seconds, or even challenge yourself by closing your eyes. Want something fun? Rebounding on a mini trampoline is a low-impact exercise that strengthens your legs while improving coordination and balance. Plus, it's super fun. And here's one of the simplest yet most powerful exercises: walking. It's free, it's accessible, and it's one of the best things you can do for your overall health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week. Want to level it up? Try intervals. Alternate between walking and jogging to boost your heart rate and build endurance. Let's talk calves. They might not seem glamorous, but your calves are essential for balance and mobility. Every time you walk or run, they're working to stabilize your body and absorb shock. Weak calves? More risk of falls. Strong calves? You're golden. Your calves are actually called your second heart because they pump blood back up to your torso with every step. This is crucial for circulation, especially as we age. Strong calves help prevent varicose veins and keep your cardiovascular system healthy. Do calf raises, jump rope, or climb stairs. These exercises are simple but so effective. You can even do calf raises while brushing your teeth or waiting for your coffee to brew. Every little bit counts. All right, I've got to say it. Rebounding. Have you ever tried jumping on a mini trampoline? It's more than just child's play. It's an incredibly effective workout for your legs. You're strengthening your calves, quads, glutes, and improving coordination while having fun. And the best part? It's easy on your joints. Rebounding also boosts your lymphatic system, which helps your body detoxify and strengthens your immune system. Plus, it releases endorphins, so you'll feel happier and less stressed. It's a complete package. If rebounding isn't your thing, consider yoga or Tai Chi. Both are fantastic for improving balance, flexibility, and coordination. They challenge your stability in gentle ways while building strength throughout your entire body. Plus, they're calming and meditative, great for reducing stress. To recap, nutrition, exercise, and hydration are the keys to strong legs and a long, independent life. Remember, aging doesn't have to mean weakness. By focusing on your legs, you're setting yourself up for success, both now and in the years to come. Your legs carry you through life, literally, so treat them well. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more health tips. And if you want me to talk about a specific topic, just drop a comment telling me what you'd like to see next.